Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 15 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find Personalization. Let's tap. So here we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen with our current wallpaper, and now we have to scroll down to find this wallpaper section. We can choose something from online wallpapers, which are free of charge and they are available online, and I highly recommend to check them. And here under it we've got also system wallpapers, so if you wish to choose something pre-installed, you can do it right here. However, I will find something in the themes, so in those options which are pre-installed. So as you can see here, we've got plenty of beautiful options to choose from. Moreover, if you will tap on the specific wallpaper, for example this one, you will not only see the one you've chosen, but more wallpapers which are somehow connected with the previous one. So for example, they are connected by the color, by the theme, or whatever. Maybe not really here, but actually it is a pop art, so it could be kind of connected. For example, if we will find the cartoon, other options also will be connected with the cartoon, so the style will connect them between each other. So that's quite cute. And let me just pause the video. I'll find something suitable and then I'll come back to you. All right, I found something which I would like to apply, and this is this cute llama or alpaca. So I believe alpaca. So let's simply tap on the wallpaper which you'd like to apply and tap on it again here. Now it will appear on the full screen. So all you have to do is to tap on apply, and now you can decide whether you want to set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will choose both options. So let me tap on it. It's up to you whether you'd like to use the wallpaper carousel. I don't want to, so I just tap on don't agree. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. However, I am aware that I've just shown you how to do it using the system wallpapers or online wallpapers. And what if you'd like to apply your own photo as a wallpaper? I did not mention any kind of option like that, but no worries. All you have to do is to open your gallery. So let me go to my gallery. Okay, got it. Find the photo which you'd like to apply. Just tap on it and tap on the three dots icon right here in the right lower corner. And as you can see here, you've got the separate options set as wallpaper, so simply tap on it and apply it to the screen. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.